Do you hear me? Hello. I know this is not my right settings, guys. Everything should be working right now. Whoa, that was weird. You guys didn't hear me. So everyone is saying, I see everyone saying muted in the chat. Oh, that's weird. That is very weird. I was not muted. It was not detecting my microphone. So that was very weird. That was very weird. Of course, having a new microphone, what is already very weird. But yeah, everything should be working once again. Everyone was saying muted in the chat. So we fixed it. So thank you for letting me know that we were muted, of course. And no mic sound. Okay. Everything hear me. Everything should be fine. Okay. So it is okay right now. So guys, I will start over with my intro because I was telling you some very interesting things already. And guys, thank you for tuning in here. Absolutely crushing here in the chat. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in here. Very funny, of course, but it was a little bit of chaotic day for me today, so rushed very quickly to home to make this new live stream for you guys. So guys, what we are right now seeing here for the Bitcoin price is very interesting, because right now we are seeing this ascending triangle be formed here. So guys, this is a very interesting channel that we are right now forming, very interesting pattern that we're right now forming, and we will be looking to maybe open a position. Of course, we're already having our swing trade open, swing trade entry right now at 20% here. So looking to write this to new all-time highs for Polkadot, and also, guys, if we look to Bitcoin. Very interesting pattern what we are right now seeing. This ascending triangle may be playing out here, already having multiple touches on the top side and the supportive line to the upside. So let's see if this is going to play out here, of course, very early in the stages of the pattern. But if I just remove this, you can see that we are still having this downward sloping resistance line that we have to clear here. So Michael also donated €5.50, and you are saying you are awesome. It is so fun and great, the community, guys, and I'm loving it as well. Thank you so much for once again tuning in here, and hopefully everything is working here. Yeah, it should be working right now, so that's very interesting. But yeah, I mean, if you look to the chart of Bitcoin right now, what you are right now seeing here, very interesting price structure, because you see a downward sloping resistance line getting formed here, and we are on our way here for Bitcoin to meet this resistance line once again here. And this is one of the most critical resistance lines where we are right now watching to. Very critical resistance line that we are right now watching to, and you can even maybe say this resistance line, you can draw it on a different way and on a different scale here, because I know some people like to draw it like this, and then you can see, okay, we already got the rejection in here. But yeah, these are basically two multiple lines that we do want to look at, because these lines can maybe signify that we are going to see a correction once again coming in, or that we are going to see a very nice and stealth uptrend here. So guys, I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking absolutely forward to open a trade, of course, with you guys once again here. So, I mean, do want to see this break of this resistance line. And it will come in here in the coming hours here, because right now looking at the 1 hourly, guys, and very nice that you told me that I was muted here and my microphone was not detected. So, of course, still messing around with my new microphone, still finding some things here. And then also, I will also look at Ethereum and Cardano, especially. Cardano is absolutely crushing it, guys. You have to know it. Cardano is doing a very good job here. But yeah, looking first at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, the leader in the market, the leader of the cryptocurrency space here. And guys, if you're new, if you just joined into the stream here, make sure to already smash up that like here. Would be absolutely amazing here. Already having the 139 likes here, what is of course very amazing here. But yeah, you can see downward sloping resistance line. Really need to clear this. So this will be our first discussion point of today. And if you look to Ethereum, Ethereum is once again not showing a lot of strength here. And also, if you look to Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, once again decreasing in value. So basically, in my opinion, Ethereum is not showing enough strength here, because Ethereum is just, I will go back to the Ethereum compared to US dollar chart, but Ethereum is just lacking behind, in my opinion. And once again, that's maybe the reason why you do want to buy into Ethereum, because it's right now lacking behind and it's basically making itself ready for another leg up. But we will discuss where we probably will go and find a bounce here in Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. And that is, of course, the discussion point that we will go into in this live stream. But guys, Cardano, I have to go into Cardano, because man, look at this chart, and I will remove some indicators here at the bottom, because I want to make a clear view for you guys. So man, look at this chart. This chart is absolutely it's absolutely blasting off right now. I mean, yeah, you can see this upward sloping resistance line yesterday evening, midnight for me. We broke through this line with a very nice green candle, and after that, yeah, we saw just the follow through getting created here. I mean, very nice what we are right now seeing with Cardano here. And if we're going to see this retracement to to the lower levels there would be also still very good for Cardano. And also want to look at this chart, because this chart, guys, this is the Fibonacci level that we did set up here for Cardano from the swing high to the swing low here. So this is a very, very interesting price chart what we are right now looking at of Cardano. If you want to see it, the bigger picture, I will flip this to the daily, and big candle already getting created on the daily. And guys, yeah, of course, we did set a new all-time high here for Cardano. And guys, this is very interesting, of course. But the $1.40 here, very, very crucial level that we do want to break here. And people are saying you're pretty late live right now. Yes, sometimes in the weekends I have it a little bit busy, so I will, of course, try and do a daily live stream here. But it was only a little bit later today. So, of course, if that will be tomorrow as well here, I will, yeah, I will let you guys know once I'm doing here. So, of course, that's very interesting. But yeah, if you look to Cardano, bigger picture, very interesting. And still daily creating a wick on the top side here. But yeah, we did set a new all-time high here for Cardano. It was absolutely very nice here, of course. And I mean, yeah, I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to Cardano, of course, to make some more gains here. And people are already worried because Cardano is right now, yeah, just of course in new all-time highs. And Cardano, by the way, B3, it's official, the third largest cryptocurrency of yeah, after cryptocurrency space. So guys, GG if you're holding Cardano here, and you can see here smashing through the all-time high here. Very nice to see here. Right now sitting at about 44 billion market cap. So the market cap is very, very nice. And people are saying all in the chat, where is your apple? But right now, today, I've decided to take a green apple here, guys, because I think the candles will be green here. So of course, I've got another apple in here. And of course, very nice here, but it's only because I have a green screen behind me. It's not really working that well, to be honest, but who cares? Who matter? I mean, I'm just gonna eat my apple today, and of course, always eating apples here. I love apples. Very nice. They are very, very nice. And I mean, yeah, Cardano is just crushing it right now. If you look at the Fibonacci chart here, and yeah, the $1.40 will be one of the most crucial levels that we do want to stay above here. Also on the daily, and also on the 4-hourly, and also on the 1-hourly. So. Very crucial levels that we are right now trading on here with Cardano compared to US dollar. And if I just basically look to this chart, if we look to the previous 4-hourly candle, and if I look to this 4-hourly candle, of course, going to witness this 4-hourly candle close live together with you guys. But I mean, if we look to this 4-hourly candle, you can see finding support at the previous all-time high, what was acting as resistance, of course. So, I mean, this is very, very interesting because we're right now clearing this resistance line that we had created in 2018 here once we were topping out here. So guys, I'm getting very excited if I look to the Cardano price chart. And I mean, of course, if you're taking profits right now, it's definitely a position where you can take some profits here because of course we're sitting so high here in the price, and taking profits around these levels is never bad. But I won't be surprised if we're going to go towards the $1.80 here anytime soon. So I mean, I'm looking forward to the price action of Cardano. We're going to witness this, of course, all together here, and I'm looking forward to it. But it is showing a lot of strength. And also, if you look to the 1-hourly is especially very interesting because you can see multiple touches on this previous resistance line acting as support, and it is holding up for now, at least for the last five hours. It is still holding up pretty strong here, and that is really promising for me if I look at this Cardano chart, and definitely a good buying opportunity once hitting this line. But once we are going to close the 1-hourly candle below this line, of course, that can still be very bearish here. And I mean, yeah, for now on, it's still looking good. So once we're seeing some weird stuff here at the Cardano price chart, definitely going to look into it. And guys, still going to go on here with another chart of Cardano, because Cardano, of course, right now still crushing the market here. And you guys are really, really loving Cardano. And I mean, I'm loving this sign. And we were watching this chart already for 4 days. We were watching already this chart for even longer, I think. But we were saying to you guys, once we were topping out here, we saw this retracement coming in here. We told you guys, okay, be careful, because we can maybe form some kind of the same structure here, because this is very likely that we are going to see it. But once we're going to close a daily candle above it and just see some more daily candles coming in here and maybe have a retest of the previous resistance flipping into support, this will be your buying opportunity. And guys, look to Cardano compared to Ethereum. It's absolutely heading for blast off. It's absolutely rocketing to the upside. And as you can see right now, previous resistance line acting as support. This is absolutely insane, guys, to see here for the Cardano price chart. Of course, Cardano compared to Ethereum. Ethereum was not doing all too much interesting things here. So that's also the reason why it's blasting off here. And yeah, let's see where we are heading towards. And I'm looking, of course, forward to it. And also want to compare Cardano compared to BTC real quickly here. Because if you look to Cardano compared to BTC, also cleared a very interesting resistance line here on the daily candle. So we cleared above the 0.236 level, what is very, very nice, of course. And right now heading towards the 0.382 level. And it is still an increase for Cardano of approximately 20% compared to Bitcoin already. So, guys, I mean, Cardano is looking absolutely very strong. And still, if you compare it to Bitcoin, it is still undervalued if you compare it to Bitcoin in the previous bull run. But I know for sure, probably going to reach this. This was in 2017. So, of course, this was in the alt season. And yeah, looking for another interesting price chart, of course, for Cardano. And I think, yeah, we can definitely crush for the previous all-time high here. So, I mean, feeling very bullish on Cardano, and a very interesting price chart what we are right now seeing. And also, we'll go in Polkadot real quickly here, because, yeah, of course, as you know, here Polkadot having a good entry here in this swing trade right now. And I do am planning to ride this for a longer term. And also with my webcam, I don't know why it's this lagging this hard. I still have to figure this out, but this is really weird here. So I got a new webcam, and it's a very good one, and it's really weird that it was glitching here. So sometimes I have to do some minor adjustments here. Can we please get Cardano on sale, Dan? Dean, I mean, yeah, that would be very lovely, of course, if we're going to see Cardano on sale. Would be very nice. What the fuck, the cam? Yes, I know. The cam is sometimes doing very weird, but of course, still trying to fix it here. But, I mean, if you look at Polkadot's very interesting structure. You can see May was forming some kind of descending triangle break to the upside, and if you measure the price target of a descending triangle here, of course not the most significant one, but it can still be an increase of price to approximately to $43. And I mean, guys, I feel very bullish about Polkadot, and especially because it has had seen such a huge sell off. I mean, you can see, of course, with the hard fork update is coming here for Cardano, and I mean, of course, that's the reason why Cardano is doing good here, but I still believe also very well here in the project of Polkadot. And Polkadot is lately seeing a decrease of price of approximately 36% from the top. And that is also my reason why I think that this is a very good buy right now, and also a very good entry for the swing trade here. So looking forward to ride this to new all-time highs here. And guys, let's ride this all together here. Might be your GPU. I have a very good GPU. I have 2060. So, and I also have active devices open, active things open, unless OBS, of course. But, I mean, very weird. I'm going to try and fix this, of course, after the stream. Look for some opportunities here on YouTube, how I can fix it. But, guys, by the way, 1,337 live viewers, guys, and only 245 likes here. Would be amazing if we can smash up these likes here. Would be very cool if we can do so. Let's see if we're going to reach 500 likes. Would be, of course, very cool if we can do so. Yeah, people are all saying certain things here. So we'll also look into we'll also look at Chainlink. Guys, Chainlink also, you can see some kind of symmetrical triangle, not the most beautiful one, because I don't really like the support line. I would have rather draw it through it like this, but then you can see we had a small fake out here. But I mean, the resistance line is pretty clear here. As you can see, if you look at the resistance, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches here. You can see multiple touches here, and right now it is looking like that we are seeing a breakout here. You can see over here, you can see that we are breaking out to the upside, and this can maybe indicate that we're probably going to continue the uptrend once again for Chainlink as well here. And also Cardano, of course, absolutely crushing it here for the last 7 days as well here, but Chainlink still not doing pretty well here, just like all the other coins here. And of course, I hope to see Chainlink also gain a little bit here, because I have also an entry on my private account here for on Bybit here for my swing trade of Chainlink, and also having an entry for Bitcoin in for long-term swing trade. So, I mean, I'm trying to enter a lot of swing trades right now, guys, because I think it is very smart to catch them right now, because it is looking like the dump is over for Bitcoin, and of course, having a good stop loss here. And always you have to trade at your own risk here. But of course, the first one to see what Bitcoin is doing here, if Bitcoin is going to clear the resistance, because that will be very, very crucial for Bitcoin to do here. Because once again, heading towards the resistance line. But for me, feeling that the CME, I mean, the futures are right now done dumping. I mean, that is the reason why I'm also looking to open these swing trades here, and that's also my reason why I think that we're probably going to continue higher, because this downtrend started because of the CMEs were dumping here, and besides that we also saw these mining pools dumping. So I mean, guys, I do think it's over for now, of course, and I think, like I told you already in yesterday's video, the weekend can maybe be very, very good for the Bitcoin price, because I do think the weekend can be very nice, because of course the futures were ending, and also the volume is always low in the weekend, so you have to be careful trading Bitcoin, especially once you are leverage trading here. But I mean, I feel definitely very bullish on Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So I'm planning to see, I'm anticipating to see Bitcoin continuing higher here, but I'm looking, of course, forward to it. And maybe people were saying, okay, we're seeing this W over here. But yeah, of course, already creating another higher low here. So maybe, of course, this neckline is also acting as very significant resistance. So do want to break this line as well here. So I will set up this horizontal line here. And that's also the reason why I do think, okay, maybe we're forming some kind of symmetrical triangle, as you can see here. And we can see a breakout anytime soon here. And once we're seeing this breakout to the upside, once we are having this retest, maybe if you aren't in the trade yet here, giving you an opportunity right now. But yeah, it can definitely be pushing the price higher to 42K here for Bitcoin. So I mean, I'm looking forward to Bitcoin playing out here, what I will do here in the immediate short term. And guys, we're going to see this all together here, because that is, of course, our strategy here. Maybe, of course, already having a trade open on my private account, but maybe here on the 5K to 100K challenge, also opening a trade here live in stream will be, of course, amazing. But we will open only a trade here once we're seeing a clear opportunity, guys. And also having 1,400 live viewers. Thank you so much for tuning in here. Make sure to smash up the like if you are right now watching the video, and if you have it already, of course, because I know a lot of you guys are usually always smashing up these likes, so that's very, very nice here. So also, if you want to use my referral links here, you can use them. I have a Femex referral link and a Bybit referral link, and Bybit you're getting $700 in bonus here. $700 in bonus. So with my referral link, you're getting more bonuses. So it would be very cool if you're using it, of course. But yeah, always trade at your own risk here, and do your own research, because trading can be very risky. You only want to take safe trades, and that is, of course, our strategy here on the channel. Are you going to trade the ascending triangle? Maybe I probably will not, because I'm already in a trade here, and for the trading challenge, I will look for some. Not say better trades, but on a huger scale, maybe on the 4 hourly, because trades on the 4 hourly, in my opinion, are better, because I have more time to anticipate them. But no, I don't think I will take it with the training challenge. But yeah, it's definitely a good training opportunity. Definitely a good training opportunity. So let me see what you guys are up to, what you guys really want me to check here. So I see someone saying, "Hey man, from Zeist." So welcome from Zeist, and he's asking, can you please check Dogecoin? And guys, first of all, a big disclaimer here: if you really want to buy Dogecoin, I mean, buy it at your own risk here. It can definitely reverse to the downside very quickly here, because it's just a big meme. And if you're really buying into this coin, don't buy it for the fundamentals. Just buy it for a coin flip, because that's basically what Dogecoin is here. Yeah, that's basically what it is. So I can set up a Fibonacci tool from swing high to swing low here for you. And I want to draw it perfectly, of course. And if you set up this Fibonacci tool, yeah, you can see some levels were acting as very significant support here, as you can see. And once you're breaking down, you had struggles once again breaking above it. So, I mean, if we're looking to the chart here, probably having struggles once we are breaking above this line here. If we're going to meet this target around 5.4 cents, will definitely be a very crucial level that we do want to break here for the Dogecoin price here. But I mean, Dogecoin is actually consolidating at pretty high levels. So, I mean, Dogecoin is still holding up pretty well here. And also CoinMarketCap, seeing that Dogecoin is still sitting around P14. And I mean, that is a very, very good job for Dogecoin. Because, yeah, I mean, Dogecoin holding up so strong here. Wasn't expecting Dogecoin to hold up so long for this period, and still creating higher lows here. So I mean, market structure is nice here, of course, creating also a new higher high. But if you look at the wicks, it was basically a double top, and that's also the reason why we saw this decrease in price coming in. But I mean, Dogecoin is not looking pretty bad or so. It's looking like consolidating, and also consolidating at pretty high prices. So it's not bad for the Dogecoin price here. And I mean, yeah, don't really want to buy into it necessarily, but if you want to buy this coin flip, yeah, you definitely can. Definitely can. ADF falling, and people are saying ADF falling, so we'll check ADF real quickly here. Also want to definitely want to check this chart because I think this chart here is more interesting. And yeah, of course, the ADA is right now still falling here, but I mean, it depends all on how this 1 hourly candle will close here. If we're going to close above this $1.40 here, I mean, definitely feel very bullish still on Cardano. And not feeling, not feeling bad about it once we are seeing that coming in here. So I mean, do want to wait and see how this will go for Cardano. But yeah, still, like you could see in the previous 1 hourly candle, still can create a big wick here on the downside. So I mean, I'm looking forward to how this will end here for Cardano. And of course, once we're seeing a major correction, once Cardano starts falling here, we will definitely take an opportunity here to maybe open position on Cardano. Because, yeah, guys, you have to know, yesterday already telling you guys, if you want to buy into Cardano, to just hold in your holding portfolio. Of course, no financial advice here, but I mean, there was definitely a good position to buy into it yesterday. And especially because we are feeling so bullish about Cardano. And also still now, even though that we are trading at all-time highs, and even though that we are pretty overextended, still feeling very bullish about Cardano. So if you're a holder, yeah, you can definitely buy into it to just hold here. So let me see. Let it fall, please. Then I can buy some more. Yeah, I totally have to agree with you, man. I would love to see it fall. Of course, already hugely exposed to Cardano. And I mean, I'm looking forward to see Cardano fall even more because, guys, I don't want it to fall, of course. But, I mean, I do want to see it fall because then I have more opportunities to buy even more Cardano. So, yeah, that's basically the reason why I want to see it fall. All the ADA dips are bought back up here. Yeah, that's completely true here. ADA is non-stoppable here, also compared to Bitcoin, also compared to Ethereum. Yeah, just looking very strong here in general. And I mean, a chart compared to Ethereum, this is right now the chart of Chainlink compared to Ethereum. Of course, still looking okay, but not as good as the Chainlink, as the Cardano chart, of course, because yeah, Cardano chart, no one can crush the Cardano chart because Cardano chart was absolutely crushing it. But I mean, look into this chart, yeah, you can see we are creating higher lows here. So I mean, oh, that's not my meaning. So I mean, you can see we are creating higher lows, but not here necessarily a higher high. So that's already a little bit unfortunate, of course. And I mean, yeah, it's still looking valid here because we're creating a higher high, higher low. I'm sorry. So I mean, if we're going to stop and break the structure here, of course, that would be very bad. And also for Chainlink clearing this very important resistance target, already good. And right now also finding support on this target, looking very strong here for the price of Chainlink compared to Ethereum. But actually, you also want to compare Chainlink compared to Bitcoin. And if we compare Chainlink to compared to Bitcoin, we have multiple resistance that we still have to clear here. Right now, still a little bit consolidating around these levels here. Maybe forming some kind of a structure here of an ascending triangle here. So maybe we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. So I'm saying ascending, but I mean descending. So maybe forming some kind of a descending triangle. And I mean, I'm looking forward to see Chainlink explode, of course. So definitely first want to break these resistance lines before flipping absolutely bullish once again on Chainlink, because before we saw Chainlink breaking above this line here, and then I was feeling very bullish because we were also finding support at this level. But yeah, then we broke to the downside once again. So I mean, it was definitely not showing enough strength by then. And Dean, you're saying, well, link pump once again in March, and I mean, definitely this structure will come to an end anytime soon here, and the support line is still holding up as pretty significant support, this gray box here. So I mean, it is still looking good here for Chainlink, because yeah, we are coming to the apex, and of course descending triangles are bearish by its patterns, but I mean, it's more likely for Chainlink to break to the upside because yeah, altcoins are right now just booming. And I don't see Chainlink also because it's a very good project, because it's Oracle. I don't see it necessarily break to the downside right now. So I mean, I'm looking forward to, of course. And my camera once again, whoa, what is this doing? What is this doing? This is so weird. This is so weird. It was very weird. Okay, but I mean, I'm looking forward to it, of course, to see where it will end here. And guys, sorry for my camera. I will right away fix this after the stream here. I mean, very weird, of course. And people are still saying check dot here. And I do also want to check dot here compared to Ethereum. And yeah, of course, dot to Ethereum. Not a lot of not a lot of information, of course. But you can set up some very interesting levels here, of course, with support and resistance targets, because you can see support targets are pretty well held here, and also we'll set up a lower rectangle over here. So if we're ever going to go this low here for Polkadot compared to Ethereum, what I totally not expect here, would be very horrible, of course. But I mean, We can also set up this Fibonacci target here. And if you look at this, the Polkadot compared to Ethereum price chart, also a very interesting chart that you do want to look at here, heading towards 1.618. So looking for any time some resistance here. So maybe finally Ethereum can do something here, because yeah, basically we're seeing Ethereum doing nothing here. So that is very. Is there a vibrator on your desk? No, there is not. There is not. So I mean, yeah, very weird, very weird camera that I have here. So I mean, it was a very good camera, but I mean, I don't know what it's doing here. But this is my Polkadot chart compared to Bitcoin, and this comparison from Polkadot to Bitcoin is also a very important chart that you do want to look at here, because this chart is basically once again saying some very interesting things here. And right now, looking finally that we are going to break this 1.272 level here in the Fibonacci chart. And this is one very crucial level that we do want to break here. And for now, of course, you can still create a wick on this daily candle. But what we want to see here is this daily candle getting close above this Fibonacci level. And once, guys, we're going to close above this level, yeah, still, we can see the retracements for the resistance flipping into support. Still very bullish. But once we are seeing this clear close above this Fibonacci level, yeah, you can see an increase of approximately 20% here for Polkadot compared to Bitcoin. So, of course, Bitcoin will go higher, and then Polkadot will even outperform Bitcoin with 20% above it. So, I mean, Polkadot here, if you look to the chart once again here, finding support at this parallel channel here, and I mean, Polkadot is looking very strong here right now. So, keeping an eye out on this chart. Looking forward to see Polkadot, of course, setting some new all-time highs here. And also with us in the swing trade, going to write this to new all-time highs. We are planning to write this to new all-time highs. So guys, I'm looking forward to open this, to keep this trade open for a longer period of time here. And I mean, I'm looking forward to it. Keep your mouth near the microphone. Of course, I will. I definitely will. So, I mean, yeah, looking forward to it. And also the channel, by the way, guys, 21.1k subscribers. Thank you so much yesterday still for subscribing to the channel. And if you're new here, if you're just joined the stream, make sure to already smash up the likes. Only 70 likes away from the 500 likes. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button here. It's completely for free and you're supporting the channel. So, it would be, of course, very cool if you can do so. Looking forward to see some new optimites also getting created here in the subscribe account. And also doing the giveaway on our Instagram here. You can find the Instagram here in the bottom of the screen here. Going to do the giveaway this Monday here live in the stream. So also very cool that we're going to see that as well here. And we're going to discuss a lot of things here still in the stream here. And also, guys, people are saying, when do you think alt season will start here? And guys, this index is, of course, very interesting index that you do want to look at here. And as you can see here, of course, this month altcoins are pretty overextended here. As you can see, 78 here. But altcoin season index, we're not even near. Of course, we are getting closer and closer to alt season. But yeah, the alt season in the bull run can be so cool, guys. This can be the one of the most interesting alt seasons, of course, what we're going to see. And I think still, in my opinion, I think it will be even more interesting than the previous alt season. But the only thing why I say it's more interesting is because I do think, of course, not all the altcoins. I think because in 2017 all these altcoins were exploding. And once again, this is so weird. This is so weird. This is so weird. This is so weird. I don't literally know what it is doing. I literally don't know what it's doing. Maybe I have to put the resolution a little bit lower. Sorry. So, guys, I'm so sorry. I don't know what it's doing. I don't totally not know what it's doing right now. It's acting so weird and very annoying. And I will, of course, fix this after the stream here. Everything should be working. Oh, I'm so sorry for this horrible thing here. I don't know what my camera is doing. Just got a new camera, and I mean camera bug here. I'm going to look at a new camera after the stream. Of course, first going to do some software updates because it's probably software that's glitching here because my camera cannot do this. Of course, it's just purely software, of course. So I mean, very weird. And guys, we will look into this this issue here. In the next stream, it won't happen anymore. But of course, still figuring some things out here, and do want to have this face cam, of course, because I think it's a better thing here for the channel here. Because then you guys also see who's behind the channel. I think that's very important, of course. But yeah, let's see. Also having a cup of tea here, because already in the morning I always drink coffee, but in the afternoon, I always used to drink tea or some water here. He's secretly a robot. That would be cool. That would be cool. But guys, still anticipating this break here for Bitcoin. I would like to see this, of course. And I mean, Polkadot, definitely very glad that we got this entry in here. Only was not a very big quantity. Also a low leverage because it's a swing trade here. So I mean, definitely going to hold this for the longer term here. Definitely going to hold this for the long term, and I'm looking forward to hold this for the long term. And I mean, Ethereum. You guys are all loving Ethereum, and I know it. And the only thing here, guys, why are you so bullish on Ethereum if you see gas fees sitting around $100 $100, and you have to know these gas fees are not fixed this year. I mean it can be fixed this year, but it will at least take 6 to 12 months here for Ethereum 2.0 to be fully launched here and fully functional. So guys, it will take a longer period of time here to be fixed here for Ethereum. So I mean, Cardano that's also the reason why Cardano, and that's also the reason why Binance Coin is pumping, and Binance Coin, of course, having a huge capital here, a huge developer team they are investing heavily into their coin. So I think because they are investing so heavily in their coin, Binance, it is such a good buy here. So that's also the reason why I am getting exposed so usually to Binance Coin and also Cardano. And that's also the reason why I think Polkadot will also be very, very huge in this coming bull run. And guys, you do want to be exposed to these coins here in the coming bull run, because otherwise it will be so stupid. And people are saying, what are the gas fees? I can show you the exact numbers here. I will search up because just a week ago it was sitting around $1,100. I mean, $100. So I was look at the average gas fees here. You can see here. You can just go to this chart here, and I mean this is just he charged, and then you can search for the average gas fee price. And have to see, is this at US dollar? I do think it's at US dollar right now. I do think it's at US dollar. And the average gas fees right now is sitting around 158 US dollars. So this is absolutely insane. What's future contracts, and why good it's ending? Because it's are these big. I see this advertisement here, but I mean, what are these future contracts? These guys, these are big players. These are big companies, and they are shorting Bitcoin. So they are betting that the Bitcoin price will go lower, and they are in that position with a leverage, and it's ending. Yes, it ended yesterday. So that is the reason why it is very good, because they are out of their short position. So because they're out of their short position, they will not push the price lower, because of course they can see right now it's very hard to push the prices low, and we guys know it because we as a Bitcoin community are very strong here, and that is also the reason why they are having so much issues pushing the price lower, because they want to push the price lower, but it is not really working for them, of course. And that is the reason why it's very good, because it's finally over here, and we can maybe see the price reverse to the upside here, and we will also look at the F2 pool here in a second here. Wait. I will also get the F2 pool outflow here, because guys, I want to look more at on-chain data here with you guys, because I think on-chain data is very, very important also for you guys, because you want to know what is right now happening here and in the market. You want to know what's right now happening. And guys, 1,500 live viewers, make sure to smash up the likes. It will be absolutely amazing if we can do so. I mean, looking forward to see where the channel is going towards here, of course. But I mean, guys, very interesting. We can see yesterday, the 26th, of course, we cannot see it of today. Yesterday, February 26th, we saw Bitcoin outflow here. You can see it right now in the screen. A Bitcoin outflow of approximately 9,000 Bitcoin. So that was an insane outflow once again here. So that was also the reason why we saw the Bitcoin price push lower. And of course, the big dump here from the F2 pool is already done here. And this big dump was approximately 14.2k Bitcoin. And guys, that is of course a very, very huge dump here by these players. And also, I'm getting another super chat here from Shano Holland. You're saying, can Crypto.com hit $1? Definitely, it can definitely hit $1. And I'm also hugely exposed to Crypto.com because I'm liking the project. I'm loving the project. And yeah, definitely can hit $1. It's only a 5x from here on. Only a 5x. And 5x is very conservative. But I mean, yeah, you can see, guys, Bitcoin outflow finally probably going to cool off because, yeah, we cannot see what it's doing today here, of course, because we can only see that tomorrow. And tomorrow we will discuss this as well. But I mean, 40.2k Bitcoin outflow by these F2 miner pools, probably going to be done dumping here. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to see where we are heading towards for the Bitcoin price. And yeah, the gas fees of Ethereum sitting so high. Guys, that's the reason why I do want to get exposed to Cardano, do want to get exposed to Polkadot, and do want to get exposed to some other projects, of course, that we will keep an eye out on, because once we're spawning some very nice gems here, because already myself spotted Polkadot very, very early once it was sitting pretty low here. Could have already bought it at $5, I mean. So very interesting. Ethereum fees will drop in March. Optimistic launch in March. So of course, if the Ethereum fees will drop here, this will definitely be a very good thing for Ethereum. And yeah, of course, they're hugely investing right now in the Ethereum 2.0, but already staying for such a long time here. And I think it's fully developed here in 6 to 12 months here. And gas fee still way too high. Where you can send a transaction for litecoin how much you want for 60 cents here, or you can send it with the Binance Smart Chain for 32 cents. I mean, and then you're going to pay Ethereum for $100. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to see, of course, the fees drop in March. So let's see where we are heading towards with the fees. And Hyman also donated £2 here. Thank you for the donation. You're saying, hey man, next target for Cardano. And you have multiple charts that you can look at here. And I mean, this chart, if you look to this chart, a very good entry position will be around the $1.36 here. I mean, there will be one of the best opportunities here that you're getting in the immediate short term here. So, I mean, if we're heading towards this level around the $1.36 here compared to on the Binance chart, I mean, definitely good buying opportunity. So probably very likely to see a correction for Cardano. Of course, very overextended here. But I mean, I'm still feeling very bullish on Cardano. And yeah, if you look to this Binance chart here, yeah, of course, right now still below this resistance line here of the Fibonacci is sitting around the previous all-time high. So very, very crucial level. And we do want to hold on to this level, of course. So I'm looking forward to it. And Logan, Kevin Logan also donated €10, and I will look at your request in a second, Kevin. So thank you for your donation. But I mean, Cardano, yeah, do want to hold on to this line. So we will keep an eye out how we are going to close in the next coming 20 minutes here. So Kevin, you're saying, thank you for the donation first of all. Gas fees are out of control. I sold all of my Uniswap tokens, not going back. Can you provide some potential entries on BNB, OMI, BEPRO, Crypto.com, and these are some real gems here. So there are a lot of requests. So yeah, I mean, potential entries. You have a lot of potential entries, especially right now, because I do think the market will reverse to the upside once again. And once Bitcoin is reversing, you know, these other altcoins will probably reverse as well here to the upside, and they will be dragged along here with Bitcoin. So I mean, yeah, potential entries here for Binance should be very careful, because we're right now it's looking like that we're trading between these ranges here for Binance coin. So I mean, right now trading against resistance, and oh my gosh, my camera, I'm getting so annoyed by this. But of course I will fix this after the stream here. Sometimes it freezes, but we'll definitely look into this, of course. But I mean, if you look at Binance coin right now trading against resistance, once we're breaking this, of course, very bullish here for the Binance chart. But I mean, already having 5 touches here, so the more times you're testing a resistance line, the more likely it will be that you're breaking it. So I mean, I'm looking forward to it, of course, to see this line getting broken. But yeah, we will keep an eye out on Binance. But yeah, once you're breaking to the upside, once you're having a retest, and this retest will be around somewhere around the $229. Definitely a good buying opportunity. Definitely a good buying opportunity. And we're also going Crypto.com here for you, my friend, because Crypto.com here, definitely looking very strong. Crypto.com here. Of course, I'm saying very strong here. You can see this retracement coming in here, but once we're touching once again this Fibonacci level, and I think, yeah, this is good. This is good. So I mean, if we're touching this Fibonacci level once again here, there will be a very, very good buying opportunity. And if we're seeing this buying opportunity, the buying opportunity will be sitting around 14 cents here. And myself, I'm buying more and more Crypto.com because I believe in the project. And once we're falling even lower, definitely will buy some more. So, I mean, I'm not looking for leverage trading on Crypto.com here, but I'm looking for more accumulation here for Crypto.com. So, of course, immediate short term, creating a downtrend here, creating a resistance line, just like you're doing with Binance Coin. And it is looking like, by the way, that we are breaking this resistance line. So this can be very, very good here in the immediate short term. So maybe we can see some kind of a reverse to the upside here. But I mean, definitely, if you want to get exposed to this coin, you're already getting a huge sale. So why not buy right now here? And let me see, OMI. Can I find OMI here? OMI is not on here, so we'll also look at BEPRO. Also take a quick sip of my tea. So if I look to the chart, very interesting. First, we'll set up the Fibonacci tool here. And this is with honey, and I really need honey for my throat, because sometimes I'm getting some issues with my throat here. Always talking so much here with you guys, so I'm of course loving it. But yeah, this coin is absolutely going parabolic here, man. I have to admit it. It's going absolutely parabolic. And yeah, right now you can see 2.618 holding up very strong here with the support line here. I mean, it is looking very strong. Multiple touches here did not close for an early candle below this candle. So I'm below this resistance line here. So of course, right now previous resistance flipping into support, very bullish here for this this coin, and it's still holding up pretty strong here. So of course, the next target on the upside here is sitting around the let's say it's the 0.0091 here, and I mean I'm looking forward to buy into this coin. And I mean, a lot of people are saying, okay, you want to buy into these coins with very low value, because you can see it's almost sitting at 1 cent here. And yeah, maybe these noobs that are coming into the market anytime soon here will also buy these coins because they are thinking this coin is cheap, but in the end, you know, it is just a big scam here. Not a scam, but I mean it all depends on market cap and supply. So maybe, yeah, it can explode because of the retailers. But I mean, I don't really know the fundamentals of this coin. And yeah, thank you for the donation, Kevin Law. And also getting another donation from Dean Harvey. So Dean Harvey, so thank you so much for your $2 Australian here. Thank you for tuning in once again, by the way. And Dean Harvey, you are saying, holding BTC Link Ethereum, what should I buy now to hold? And of course, already we're saying a lot of things about Cardano here, but Cardano already exploded here. But yeah, you want to get more exposed to another coin here, and I think still Crypto.com is sitting around P21 right now, and I think it's definitely a good coin to buy here, and it's also a little bit cheap right now. So I mean, they announced that they're burning tokens, and they're saying that this is not the first burn, and they're going to continue burning even more, and they are seeing the development that Binance Coin is right now making, and I know for sure Crypto.com, very huge already. A lot of people are into this coin, and once the retail FOMO also will kick in, this coin will exactly go parabolic as well here. Sometimes I cannot speak here. I want to speak way too fast here. So I mean, Crypto.com definitely a very good buy here in my opinion, Dean Harvey, and this is a coin that you do want to get exposed to. And I'm already saying this for a long period of time, but guys, right now, of course, no financial advice. You have to always buy this at your own risk here. But right now, you're still getting this buying opportunity here. And maybe in 2 weeks, or maybe in 1 week, or maybe tomorrow, you're not getting this buying opportunity anymore. And I mean, that would be definitely very unfortunate if you're not getting this buying opportunity right now anymore. So don't try and time the market once you're trying to hold this coin here, and definitely make a decision here to maybe buy into this coin and just hold it. Because I think this is a very good project. I think it has a very huge potential as well. So Dean Harvey, definitely a coin that you do want to get exposed to. And Little Blue Elephant, thank you once again for your donations. Very cool that you're donating once again here. CR, my crypto apple, and it's very nice to hear because, yeah, still, of course, having my apple here. And once I'm getting a little bit hungry, I definitely will take a bite of it. So you're saying, my fiance, I spend more time with you than him. So, fiance. So, I mean, that is very, very weird, but yeah, I mean, I'm maybe a little bit better than your fiance. No, just kidding. But I mean, gotta love the guy who reads the graph. Can you please look at Cosmos, please? And I will definitely look at Cosmos here. Definitely will look at it. Adam, of course, with this target project that they are launching, very interesting what we are seeing here. But thank you for your $5 Australian donation here, Little Blue Elephant, and really appreciate it once again here, of course. But I mean, Cosmos, very interesting. You saw we were discussing Cosmos already for a long period of time here, and we were saying, okay, we were seeing this uptrend here getting created, but it was basically already, this uptrend was created because of the hype of the Starlink project. But once the project was launched there, you saw this decrease in price here, and just a cool-off period, what is very normal here for the price action of Cosmos. And of course, don't be worried if you bought at the top here. If you're going to hold strong here, definitely a good buy still, because I think still, I know Grayscale is looking forward to put their trust in this coin, and also just the general fundamentals are very strong of this coin. But right now, once again, already drew this line already a long period ago here, and sorry, already drew this line already a moment ago here. But I mean, if you look at the chart once again, looking like another rejection is right now coming in here. Of course, that would be very bearish. Of course, not bearish, but bearish in the immediate short term would it be if we are going to see another rejection. But once we are breaking this line here, definitely good thing for Cosmos. So also the support line here at the bottom, holding up very strong here, giving you a lot of buying opportunities. And this is on the 4 hourly, so you have you had a lot of buying opportunities to buy into Cosmos. Around these ranges, and once you're seeing another retracement coming in, it will definitely give you another opportunity here. Will definitely give you another opportunity here for buying Cosmos. So I mean, if you're seeing this retracement coming into towards the $17.14 here, it will be definitely a very good buying opportunity here. Thanks, Rover. I will definitely buy CRO, and of course you have to buy it at your own risk here. No financial advice here, but in my opinion, CRO, very good coin that you do want to get exposed to. So yeah, for Cosmos, Little Blue Elephant, still seeing this rejection. So do want to see this breakthrough before flipping insanely bullish once again. And if you look to the 4 hourly, not a clear pattern is getting created. Maybe you can say, yes, we are creating this descending triangle, but I don't really like the touches here, because you first want to see the leg up here and then see more touches here. But of course, yeah, you see 3 touches. And if you see this as a symmetric descending triangle, what I don't really see here, you can see a breakout once we are breaking this resistance line. Can definitely push us up to levels around the $30. But I mean, definitely looking very bullish here, Cosmos, with Bitcoin also reverses to the upside. And as you know already, like I always say here, it all depends also on Bitcoin. What will Bitcoin do? Because of course Bitcoin is also going to the downside for the last period of time here, and that's also the reason why Cosmos is also falling a little bit here. But I mean, I should not be that worried, to be honest. But Cosmos is still holding up pretty strong here, and Bitcoin also still green in this 1 hourly candle. Going to close this 1 hourly candle in 10 minutes. 10 minutes till we're going to close this hourly candle, guys. And we are meeting our resistance target once again. So it's going to be very exciting. No financial advice. Oh, Barry, you are very funny. Very funny guy, Barry. Isn't Polkadot our next apple? No, you were saying red apple, but it will definitely be this this green apple. And that's also the reason why I took this green apple here. Because I think it will be a green day here. So definitely, also, my light's always setting it to green, because usually I set it to red here. But I mean, setting it to green will be better for the market here. So maybe it will help us out as well here. He talked about Crypto.com. Yeah, definitely, I already did. Love with Crypto.com here. Also, with I know Binance is burning tokens here, and yeah, of course, Binance is also trying to build a hype around their coins, and they want to get, they want to become a huge cryptocurrency, and they're doing a very good job here, Binance Coin. And Crypto.com don't want to stay behind here, because if you're standing high here in the coin market cap here, definitely a good promotion here for your coin. Definitely a good promotion. So yeah, that's also the reason why I think Crypto.com will definitely be a very good thing here, and also I just believe in the project. Any thoughts on the next good altcoin dip here? I think we're already seeing the dip right now, and probably going to reverse anytime soon here. So take your buying opportunity here, because a lot of altcoins already decreased from 30 to 50% here, and you are not going to see this every single day here or every single week. It's a special event that you're right now seeing here. Link breaking out right now in the 1 hourly. So yeah, definitely Link is right now breaking out here, and also, of course, if you draw this line a little bit different here, this previous resist line a little bit different to the upside here, and if I draw it like this, you can see, yeah, we had a perfect retest here, but we did not took the trade here. But we were talking about this this possibility for Chainlink breaking out already approximately 1 hour ago. Of course, once we were starting the stream, we were started with doing our word here, and Chainlink was definitely a coin that we were talking about. And Chainlink, we told you guys, maybe getting this very good buying opportunity. Maybe getting this very good buying opportunity because we're breaking out of the symmetrical triangle. And guys, just quickly, looking for the price target for Chainlink. Chainlink can definitely push back to $34, and once we're pushing back to $34, increase of 33%, and that, oh man, that would be definitely a very sick increase of price, of course. So I mean, I'm looking forward to see Chainlink, of course, explode to the moon here. And like I told you already, I'm already in a Chainlink trade here. I'm in a low leverage trade. I'm in a swing trade here for Chainlink. So I mean, I'm looking forward to see Chainlink explode, of course. Because yeah, I'm definitely ready for it. I'm ready to see Chainlink explode here. And if we're going to see this insane move to the upside here, I'm only in a 5x leverage here. Already entered yesterday evening. And I mean, I'm looking forward to see Chainlink explode here. So if we're going to see this price target getting met here, 33%, that will be definitely a very, very insane increase of price. And yeah, I'm using a 5x, so that will be approximately 150% profit. And man, that will be a very nice profit if we can reach this profit. So I'm looking forward to to have this swing trade here. So yeah, definitely this Chainlink trade definitely giving you a very good opportunity here. And if you want to trade Chainlink as well, I'm right now trading it on Bybit. So if you want to use my Bybit referral link as well here, and yeah, you can definitely do it. You will be supporting the channel here, of course. Always have to trade at your own risk here, but I mean, it will be definitely very nice if you're supporting the channel completely for free. Also using if you prefer trading on Femex, you can also use our Femex referral link. It is just what you prefer. But yeah, it would be very lovely if you're, of course, using our referral links here in the description. But someone is saying, are we going to see another retest? Yes, we can. Yes, we can definitely have another retest, but it all depends here on what we are going to see here for Chainlink. But I don't think it's very likely. I think we already are seeing this retracement. So yeah. So I maybe want to take a trade here also for the training challenge here for Chainlink, but then I will be looking for the perfect opportunity to open the perfect trade here, because I don't want to rush into any trades here. But I mean, it's giving you a very good buying opportunity. I mean, it can be an increase of price of approximately 33%. So guys, that's definitely a trade that you do want to take here. Definitely a trade that you do want to take here. So I mean, I will quickly adjust this. I will set up my chart here on my Femex chart. I'm looking forward to this trade. If I can take this trade here, definitely can give us some insane returns here on Chainlink. And of course, I always have to trade at your own risk here, but it would be lovely if we're going to take this trade and, of course, crush the market altogether here. So I mean, we will be looking for a buying opportunity once we are seeing this one hourly close here in 5 minutes. Maybe on the next retest here. Of course, I'm going to take it conservative. And Surfin also donated here, and you're saying, what do you think Ethereum will do in the short term? And man, you have to know, I'm not feeling very bullish on Ethereum in the short term. But we will probably take this trade as well on our trading account, because yeah, this setup is looking very strong. Setup is looking very strong here. So guys, I'm going to make a setup anytime soon here, but quickly we'll say what will Ethereum do in the short term, of course. I'm looking very forward to this trade. So if we're going to see 1 hourly candle close, we'll definitely put a limit order here and looking to catch this long position here, because it's looking like a clear breakout of a symmetrical triangle, guys. And this is a trade that I do want to take here, to be honest. This is a trade that I definitely want to take here. So what do you think about Ethereum in the short term? Not feeling very bullish about Ethereum. First, want to see this descending triangle break to the upside, of course. Oh my gosh, my camera is once again going very nuts here. And let me see. Is everything still working? It's so annoying that it's not working that well here. So we'll fix it, of course, after the stream, guys, and everything is working once again here. But what do you think Ethereum will do here in the short term? I think it will just not do all too much interesting things here. And guys, sorry for the camera. I'm truly sorry. That's once again flipping here. I see you guys in the chat also being, what the F is this? I totally get it, guys. I totally get it. So I mean, if I look to the Ethereum price chart, yeah, descending triangle here, and do want to see this break to the upside here. And if we're going to see this break to the upside, definitely can be a very good profitable scenario here that we are creating. Can definitely be something around the $1,850 US. So of course, can be a very nice. It can be a very nice increase of price here. And Raymond also donated here, and you're saying wrong setting on your microphone. Sound up and sound down 40% a couple times here. A second you turn your head, easy fix. Just email me. Otherwise, great. Raymond, of course, I will email you, because I would like to fix this, and I'm not the best person with microphones here. So Raymond, I will definitely, if you're also in the Discord server, because tag me in the general chat here, and then I will add you as my friend here. And then we can discuss a little bit more in the Discord server, of course, because I would like to fix this, of course. I would love to fix this. So Raymond, definitely tag me in the general server. But guys, we'll look at Chainlink here. We'll look at Chainlink. And this is the Femex chart, of course. Right now, looking to the Femex chart, and we will be looking to open this trade live with you guys here. Looking for a trade opportunity, open live in the stream here. and 25.691 here. 25.691 here. And guys, I will drop the details as well here in the Discord server. Definitely, let's see. We will use once again the 2% stop loss here, because if we're going to see a decrease of 2%, I do think it is not likely anymore to see this increase of price. And it was an increase of approximately 33% here. I will look at some more levels of take profit, but we will look into the take profit anytime soon here. Once we are seeing the opportunity to take profits, once we are heading towards resistance targets, we will definitely take some profits. But we will do that along the way here. So I mean, entry price will be around the, let's see, 25,665. Also getting another donation from CJ Ray here, donate €5, and you're saying could you do TA on ESA-X here? And we'll do it in a second here. We'll go in your request here. Give me a second, but first we'll get this entry in here, because this is giving us a very good opportunity to open a trade here on Chainlink. And I mean, I'm looking forward, of course, to take this trade, because this can absolutely crush our. Can absolutely make a very, very nice increase of value here, and only going to use 10x here, of course, because otherwise we are getting wrecked here. And limit price was sitting around 25.65. And guys, I will post the details in the Discord server. Give me a second here. We'll definitely post the details in the Discord server. So going to take this with. Let's see what we are going to do here, because already having some of our portfolio into this this other swing trade on Polkadot. You can see in the bottom of the screen already having this other trade open, so we'll use 75% here. Definitely going to set a stop take profit here, but we will do that along the way here once we're heading higher. But 25.124 will be definitely our stop loss here, and I will make a screenshot real quickly, because I will also post this in the Discord server. Because this is giving us a very good trading opportunity, guys. Trade opportunity on link. And guys, I will post this real quickly in the Discord server. And if you want to join the Discord server as well, you can do it right now. It's right now pinned to the live chat. Also in also in the description, of course. So looking forward to see you guys there. Oh my gosh! Once again, my camera is glitching, guys. It's getting very annoying, of course, but we will fix this after the stream here. It's some kind of software issue. And yeah, of course, you can see right now Chainlink increasing in price. I'm definitely going to wait for the safe opportunity here to see this getting. And I'm maybe a robot here. It's getting very weird here. But I will go quickly into the request of CJ. Can you do TA on ESA-X here? So ICX. And of course, I will do my TA here on ICX here. And you're saying best way to get a Dutchie for some bucks on Femex. Very easy. Ideal doesn't seem to be an option. I mean, you can use Ideal, right? Because I can use Ideal as well here, and I'm also from the Netherlands. I have a lot of fun with this community. I even planned my shopping around the stream to the F moon. So of course I cannot say that, because if I'm saying so, I will get demonetized here, and of course not looking forward to get demonetized here on YouTube. And by the way, guys, having 1,500 live viewers, make sure to smash up the likes here. But thank you so much for supporting the channel and showing your love here. And I mean, looking forward to it, of course. But we'll also keep an eye out on this Chainlink trade, because Chainlink, of course, going sky high here, setting new all-time highs here. So of course I'm looking forward for Chainlink to see it explode as well here. Looking forward at all time here to see a Chainlink explode here. But for now, we will quickly look at ICX here. But once we are getting this, I mean, if we're not going to get this entry in, that will be pretty fortunate here. But I mean, if we're going to get the entry in here right here, this will definitely be our best opportunity to get this entry in here. So I mean, I will be looking forward to get this entry here for Chainlink. But quickly, my TA here on Icon. Very interesting chart, of course. Very overextended chart, first of all. You were seeing a bull flag getting created here previously. Broke to the upside here. Didn't clearly meet our price target, but in the end of the day, we did meet our price target, of course. But yeah, right now you see the stop here getting created. Fibonacci lines not holding up that strong here at the top side. Right now, this 3.618 here. You can see acting as resistance, acting as support, acting as support, And right now we are below it, so it is once again acting as resistance. I'm losing my voice a little bit here. So trying to drink enough here, also trying to drink some coffee here. Sorry, some tea here. To because it would be not that nice if I'm losing my voice here. But I mean, if you look to icon here, you can definitely see we are getting rejected by this line here. So, I mean, very likely to see this retracement coming in here. Very likely. And, I mean, of course, this is an immediate short term. But once you are breaking it, of course, we can go in price recovery very quickly here once again. And also not a lot of resistance levels because we're so overextended already. And Danny also donated here, and you are saying, what do you think about front here for the long term? And by the way, your question about how to deposit money on Femex. If you cannot use Ideal, you can definitely also deposit some Bitcoin if you buy it on a different exchange, and you can send it to the exchange itself. And you're saying, what do you think about front will do in the long term? I mean, I don't really know the coin here. I mean, what will it do for the long term? Man, this coin just recently got launched here. Cannot say anything about it. Cannot say anything about it, to be honest. Not even on Binance. Not recently got launched, but pretty recently it got launched here. So very hard to say because I don't know the fundamentals of this coin, and the fundamentals are very important if you're looking to these sort of trades. And yeah, Chainlink, of course, going higher and higher right now. So Chainlink is already exploding here. I'm not going to rush in anything, guys. That's not my strategy. I'm not planning to rush into it, but of course on my personal account, very unfortunate. But I mean, in personal account, already into this. But I mean, yeah, if you look to Chainlink right now on this bigger picture here on this chart, of course the price tag to the upside can be very, very nice here. But if you're entering right now, we can still reverse to the downside. And if you're then going to reverse to the downside, can still be a decrease of approximately 3% before we are getting our entry in here. So that is the reason why you're not rushing into anything right now. And yeah, let's see if we're going to get filled here. Of course, it would be very nice if we can do so. So I'm, of course, looking forward to get filled here. And let's also look at Bitcoin for a second, because if I look to Bitcoin, also flipping this candle green here, very, very nice here what we are seeing for Bitcoin. Heading towards the resistance line once again here, opening a new 1 hourly candle, looking forward to see where we are heading towards for Bitcoin. So it will be very interesting what we are heading towards. Very interesting times here, of course. But yeah, guys, if you want to take these trades as well, you can use the referral links in the description. You can use Femex or Bybit here. And that would be, of course, very, very nice if you're using it. Would be very nice, of course. Yeah, of course, I'm already in this... Yeah, everything is working still. Check ADA. Everyone is saying check ADA. So I will definitely check ADA because everyone is saying it right now. Oh, that's not the chart that I do want to look at, because I want to look at Binance chart, because I do think the chart is better. Yeah, guys. Very unfortunate, of course, what we are right now seeing. Not very strong here for Cardano, because you can see Cardano price chart, yeah, breaking to the downside here and not holding up with the previous all-time high as support. So this is, of course, an immediate short term, not very strong here. So we will keep an eye out on Cardano, and hopefully we can see Cardano fall a little bit more here, because then we can open our position here. And then we can definitely open our position. And guys, by the way, already 600 likes. That is absolutely amazing, of course. So make sure to smash up the likes here. Having 1,500 live viewers right now. So we can definitely reach the 1K likes here. I do think that we can definitely reach it. So if you guys want to help me out here, giving these signals completely for free, it would be very nice if you're supporting the channel by subscribing to the channel and also hitting that like button. And guys, I see that we just reached 21.2K subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing to the channel here. Welcome for everyone who's right now new in the channel. Very amazing, of course. Very amazing that you guys are tuning in here. And let's see how far we can go today here. And I'm absolutely loving it already here. Bears Diverge playing out on Bears Diverge right now playing out here on Cardano. Yeah, especially if you set it on the 4 hourly, you can see 4 hourly creating a higher high here. And this was actually very likely that you are going to see this bearish divergence playing out here. You can see higher high in the price chart, but a lower high in the RSI chart. And especially bearish divergence on the 4 hourly can be quite significant on certain altcoins, because I mean, not only altcoins, also Bitcoin. But the higher the price time frame, the more significant these bearish divergences can react here. Yeah, right now seeing this on the 4 hourly is a pretty high time frame, of course. So it was very likely to see this correction in the end of the day coming in here. So yeah, 4 hourly candle. Yeah, definitely seeing this bearish divergence playing out here right now. Definitely seeing this bearish divergence playing out here. And 653 likes here, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up that like button. Thank you so much here. And I see also a lot of new people are joining the Discord server right now. Let me see. We are right now having, if I say it correctly, almost 8,400 live members here in our Discord server. So that's absolutely insane here. And yeah, right now, just seeing this play out here, and also enjoying, of course, my tea here. But yeah, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin also seeing a minor retracement on the 1 hourly candle. But yeah, let's look what Chainlink is doing here. Who would like to see this entry coming in here? But Chainlink is not looking like retracing right now. It's not looking like retracing right now here. Of course, we would like to get this entry in here, but Chainlink is right now acting is not really willing to give us this entry here. So of course we have to wait and see how this will go here. But of course, looking forward to see this. What we are heading towards here for Chainlink. Looking forward. So yeah, Chainlink probably going to continue the trend here. Probably going to continue the trend here, in my opinion, and also because Chainlink was just cooling off here and forming this beautiful pattern here, And of course, I would like to see this breakout and meet our price target, of course, around the $34 US, and definitely it will be very normal and very healthy for Chainlink, because I do think money can easily shift to Chainlink here, and also I do think that it's very it should be very normal, because Chainlink also seeing this major correction coming in here, and already we're talking about this for a longer period of time. But yeah, you can see approximately 40% dump here for the price of Chainlink, and seeing then a bounce to the upside of approximately, once again, 30 to 40% to the upside. I mean, it will be an increase of 55%, by the way, but I mean, that will be very likely to see here. Of course, a lot of volatility, so it's giving you a lot of good buying and good selling opportunities here right now. But I mean, especially these buying opportunities are very good here. And I mean, yeah, I'm looking forward to it. To see Chainlink, of course, increase once again here, because I'm also in this new swing trade position here, only with a 5x here. So would like to see Chainlink to set some new all-time highs here. So let's see where we're heading towards. Let's see. And of course, still stand behind my point here, because I still think that Chainlink can definitely go towards the $300 US here in the coming bull run. I mean, it can be a very optimistic target, but I mean, it's still a very likely target to reach it, even though. The last leg of these altcoins will be the most significant, and we can maybe see Chainlink going from $100 US to 300 in a matter of a few days here. So people are saying also, what is your Chainlink March prediction here? And you have to know, I'm loving Chainlink here, and March it will be very hard to say for the exact month here, because yeah, I can do my prediction for the coming bull run. That's a little bit more easy, but it also depends on what Bitcoin will do here in the coming month here. I mean, it can also be very likely that Bitcoin is going to chill out here for the coming month. And I mean, oh, there goes my camera once again. And it can be very likely for Bitcoin to chill out for a month here. And I mean, I would love it, because if Bitcoin is going to chill out for this coming month here, definitely can be so that this Oracle network of Chainlink can definitely explode to the upside once again here. So price prediction. I think, yeah, definitely we're going to increase in the month of March, and I think $70 US or so, it will be a very likely target to see us stop out here. So I mean, I'm looking forward to it. I think $70 is a very likely target to reach it. Very likely target. Yeah, you can see a lot of wicks are getting created on the Bitcoin price chart. A lot of wicks getting created right now. Yeah, green tea with sugar. Will be very or with ginger will be very good for your throat. Yeah, already had some with citrus. I had a tea with citrus, but yeah, green tea would also be very good. Can you please check Dash? I mean, yeah, definitely will check Dash for you. And thank you for your tip once again here. So yeah, of course, talking a lot with you guys, and maybe hurting my throat a little bit here. So of course, doing this for you guys. So I mean, looking forward to it. Yeah, but let's look at Dash here. You see, of course, also Dash creating a very nice uptrend here and getting supported by this 1.618 here multiple times already. And once again, right now, seeing this retracement coming in here and getting supported by this line here. So I mean, yeah, definitely giving you once again a good buying opportunity. And if you look from the top where we are right now, still decrease of approximately 35%, and we could have bought it at a 40% dump here. So I mean, what is your entry position? Is Oliver donated? Oliver donated £2 here. You're saying, what is your entry position for Chainlink? You can go to the Discord server. You can go to the Discord server and you go to trading challenge. And if you go to the trading challenge, you can see there my exact numbers of my order price. You can see the exact numbers of quantity. You can see the exact numbers of leverage. You can see the exact number of stop loss here. So if you go to the Discord server, you can see the order price. So it's 25.65 here. But yeah, if you go to the Discord server and go to a trading challenge here, you can see the exact numbers here. So it would be very nice if you're joining the Discord server as well here, if you're new to the channel here. But yeah, definitely that would be... Oh my gosh, once again, my camera, I don't know what it's doing. I don't really know what it's doing. And of course, we will fix this after the stream right away here. But right now, I cannot do it because otherwise I will be sitting here for very long here. And sorry for the quality, because I would like to make very good quality videos here. But live streams, of course. But I mean... this is just very weird, and this is just software-matic, I think. So we'll fix this, of course, after the stream right away here. And I mean, yeah, if you looked at Dash here, what are your thoughts about Dash here? Of course, just like a lot of other coins, forming this stealth downtrend here. And of course, stealth downtrends are very useful to see once you're seeing a cool period from a big bump to the upside here. And yeah, Dash also increased pretty significantly. You can see if you bought it at the lows here, you could have bought... but 255% to the upside here. So I mean, that would definitely be a very good buy here. So I mean, of course, looking forward to see where Dash is heading towards. But I mean, very exciting times here for Dash. Very exciting times. Bro, your camera, I know, my camera is doing very weird here today. So we'll fix it. Of course, I had a new camera. It's a very good camera. It's 4K, so quality should be very good here. But only the software is not working that well. So we'll get into this... in a second. We'll get into this after the stream before. But I mean, for Dash, do want to see break of this downward structure here. But I mean, if you look for buying opportunities, because usually you guys are looking for buying opportunities, of course, no financial advice here. But definitely the 1.618 will be a very good buying opportunity, and that will be sitting around the $198. So, and man, if you're spamming in the chat, your question won't be answered here. So please don't spam in the chat here. Because otherwise, yeah, your question won't be answered. And guys, thank you so much still for the 21.2k subscribers. Doing a giveaway for the 20k here on our Instagram. So you can find our Instagram right now in the bottom of the screen here. And if you want to join the giveaway here, it's a Nano Ledger X giveaway here. So going to give away 2 pieces. Going to do the live giveaway this Monday, so I'm going to pick a live winner this Monday in the stream. So of course, looking forward already to who the winner is going to be here. I want to give something back to you guys, and I made a promise with you guys every time once we're hitting a 10k mark, so 30k, 40k, 50k, 60k, we're going to give away Nano Ledger, and maybe I'm going to do it. Oh, my camera once again. And maybe and maybe once we are reaching even higher targets, we're going to do even more giveaway, and maybe with some other stuff here. So guys, make sure to stay tuned here, and that's also the reason why you do want to follow me on Instagram here, because yeah, then you will be stay tuned here, and also some personal stuff will be discussed there as well. So yeah, Ethereum finally increasing a little bit in price, and let's see what the Polkadot is doing, by the way, because also in the Polkadot trade here, and Chainlink still continuing higher and higher. Of course, not really good here, because we want to see a decreasing right now, because we want to get this entry in here. Yeah, but don't rush in anything. If you did not get the entry in here, just chill down here, because it will come towards us anytime soon here. So yeah, never rush into trades. That's not a strategy. That is not a strategy. Sorry. Yeah, so we will definitely look for some opportunities here in the market. Sorry, I had to react to something real quickly here. Give away 1 Bitcoin and 100k subs. Yeah, but if we're going to give away 1 Bitcoin, we definitely want to split that up at least. But 1 Bitcoin, that will be a giveaway. Probably once we're reaching the 100k, it will be in 4 months or so. Then it will be a giveaway of 100k. So that would be a very, very nice giveaway then. And please don't spam in the chat. Please don't spam in the chat here. Yeah, of course, I want to give something back to you guys. And oh man, I'm getting so freaked out by this camera. I'm getting so freaked out by this camera. And probably, I really have to look into it. I don't know what it is. Probably software. Good morning, everyone. I bought Bitcoin around 8.5k, and right now sitting around 74k. Yeah, you're doing a very good job here. Very good job that you bought Bitcoin at these low prices. Of course, did the same. It was very nice because I know as the day as I know it's like the same day as yesterday because I bought Bitcoin at 3.8k or so, and the day after it exploded to 5 or 6k here. So that was a very insane day. Then you saw the Bitcoin price increasing with approximately 50% in just one day here. You're a bot. No, I'm not a bot. I'm not a bot. So ADA, yeah, people are all saying ADA because yeah, you guys are of course loving ADA here. And yeah, I mean, if I look to ADA, yeah, right now increase once again here. This is a different chart, of course. If I look to this chart here, yeah, you can see we're still a long way ago here from the $1.40 here. So yeah, this will definitely once again act as resistance because yeah, clearly couldn't hold us as support, but we are right now heading towards it as resistance. Still on that, yes, we are still in that air. You can see here also in the bottom of the screen, yeah, right now, of course, not a very huge trade here and still waiting for this correction of Chainlink, but of course, won't be this likely to see this correction, but not rushing into anything here. Of course, it's first that we are missing out here, but yeah, the beautiful symmetrical triangle. Beautiful symmetrical triangle that we are right now seeing a breakout to the top side out. So, I mean, beautiful to see here for Chainlink. So, yeah, congrats for everyone who is trading Chainlink right now. But yeah, Cardano is still forming this bearish divergence here on the 4 hourly. And even though it's also on the 1 hourly. Also on the 1 hourly. So yeah, Bitcoin is still fighting because this is very good for Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, by the way. Let's look at Chainlink compared to Bitcoin. Finally increasing, of course not very significantly, but do want to see a more bigger increase even than this. Looking forward to see this, of course. Looking forward to see this come in here. Looking forward to see this come in here. And of course, yeah, we will keep an eye out on Chainlink here, on the channel here, because I do think Chainlink can definitely explode here today. And also, we'll keep you guys up to date in the Discord server once we are not live here, because today, I know already today's live stream won't be the longest live stream here, because of my throat, also getting a little bit tired here. It's a weekend, and you know, usually just on the normal days, Monday to Friday, we're doing longer live streams here, and in the weekends it's always a little bit shorter, because I'm also pretty busy in the weekends. So, of course, always trying to make some time here, like I'm doing right now. Let me see. People are also talking about Frontier and etc. But guys, you have to be careful with these coins, man. Really want to be careful with these coins because they're basically pumping coins, because I know it's pumped by YouTubers, and not going to say anything about it. Not going to say anything specifically about it because I don't really want to give my opinion about it. But guys, please be careful with coins that YouTubers are strictly promoting. You definitely want to buy coins that you're doing your research at yourself. And I mean, these coins you can definitely get wrecked, because you can see this massive up run here, basically all YouTube hype, all retail hype here. And I can assure you, these YouTubers already bought it here previously, probably at least, and probably going to dump on you. So please be careful. Of course, not going to give you my real opinion about it. Go and keep it for myself here. But I mean, yeah, Chainlink compared to Bitcoin is still getting a bounce off this gray box here. Still getting this bounce off this gray box here. Your pick for the long term, ADA or DOT? I think if you look to coin market cap, I think long term, of course, ADA will do definitely very good here in the coming weeks here. But I do think you should really diversify. But I think in the end of the day, Polkadot will be bigger than Cardano. I do think so. But yeah, of course you have to wait, and you can better get exposed to both of them. It's better to get exposed to both of them. Yeah, still waiting for Bitcoin to see, of course, this breakout to the top side. So Bitcoin also coming very close to the apex here. So probably going to see a breakout as well here for Bitcoin. It's very likely to see a breakout for Bitcoin anytime soon here. Very likely to see a breakout for Bitcoin anytime soon. Chainlink entry and stop loss price. You can find it in the Discord server. A lot of people are saying this right now, but please join the Discord server, because if you're joining the Discord server, you go to trading challenge in the sector of trading, and then you can see that we posted our setup here with the exact number, the exact quantity, the exact entry price, and the exact stop loss here. So yeah, that's the reason why you should. And of course, it's very nice if you're joining a Discord server, because yeah, building this strong community with everyone here. And yeah, I mean, community is growing and growing. We're heading towards the 10,000 members here in the Discord server, and of course, we'd like to build a strong community with you guys. So I'm already looking forward to it. So let me see. 80 and Dot maybe can both do well here, and I have to agree, they're probably both going to do very well here. Probably both going to do very, very well here. So I'm not going to say one or the both is better. And I do still think, I do still think Polkadot will be better. But I mean, if you're not exposed to Cardano, yeah, you should definitely get exposed. Don't pick one of the two here. Just diversify there. That is the strategy in crypto. Just get exposed to everything with a small portion, and you're making very good gains here. And it's also what my strategy is, of course. Just sharing it with you guys. So, I mean, I will be looking forward to this Chainlink trade, by the way. Let's see if we're also seeing this retracement. Yeah, we are right now seeing a minor retracement because Bitcoin, of course, because you can see 1 hourly candle of Bitcoin flipping red here, but still this candle of Chainlink holding up pretty good in the green here. Holding up pretty strong in the green here. So yeah, I will be looking forward to see where this will end here. Definitely looking forward to it. And probably you guys are looking forward to this as well here, because yeah, you want to take this trade as well, just like me. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. Yeah, no problem. I'm willing to share my knowledge here with you guys, because this is of course where our channel is standing for. This is definitely where our channel is standing for. By the way, having 730 likes, and if you want to help me out as well, make sure to smash up these likes here. It will be amazing. So let's see. Yeah, Link is going down. Yeah, it's probably because Bitcoin right now. So if Bitcoin is just not going to do anything weird here, Chainlink is absolutely mooning here, in my opinion. So if you're in a holding portfolio and not trading here, definitely still buying Chainlink right now will be a very good decision. Buying Chainlink right now will be in definitely a very good position to buy into this coin here. So I mean, definitely a good buying opportunity right now. And yeah, if you want to leverage trade, you can use my BEPRO referral link. You can use my Femex referral link. It's all found in the description. It will be very nice, of course, if you're using it, because yeah, you will be supporting me, and yeah, of course, giving these signals to you guys. A lot of people are asking a lot of money, and if you want to help me out, just completely for free, just use my referral links. And if you're using my referral link, you will gain even more bonus yourself as well. So it's basically a win-win situation. So it will be very good. Yeah, I'm 20 years old, if you're wondering. What is your favorite number one coin right now? And I cannot give you one certain coin that I'm very bullish about, or that I think are definitely going to explode here. I think there are multiple coins with very good potential. Just also talking about Chainlink here, I still think it's still undervalued. Already talking about Chainlink for 2 or 3 weeks, and I mean, not undervalued, but undervalued compared to Cardano. I still think it is going to catch up with Cardano anytime soon here, and can definitely see an increase of 200% or so in just a matter of a week or so. So, I mean, still, Chainlink very bullish here. Crypto.com also, and Cosmos here, EFA. You have a lot of very good coins here that has huge potential. So, I mean, not definitely only bullish on one coin, but on multiple coins here. I'm feeling very bullish on multiple coins here, not only one coin. So I can't really give you my opinion about one coin, or say what only one coin that I like, because I like a lot of coins right now. And of course, myself also hugely exposed to a lot of altcoins. And yeah, definitely going to crush this market here in this bull run. Definitely going to crush this market. With you guys, of course. Going to spend every time together. And I will be cashing out as well here, because getting an entry is one and cashing out is another thing, because guys, a lot of people into this safety as well, just like me. I also got a little bit wrecked over there, not exactly, but I mean, I only cashed out approximately 60 to 70% here, but I mean, you have to be careful here, and because getting an entry is one, but cashing out at the right time is another thing. So you definitely will be looking for a good cashing out moment. And guys, you don't want to get wrecked here, because you can also write your gains to maybe a gain of 30x here, but at the end of the day you're not taking profits. So what are you making with your gains? Absolutely nothing. You can even flip your gains into a loss if you're not taking profits. So taking profits is very important, and we will definitely also do that in this bull run. And my strategy is only to accumulate more and more Bitcoin, and of course become a more wealthy person, and also stepping into real estate here. So I mean, I will definitely looking forward to this bull run here, because yeah, guys, you have to know there will be some insane gains to be made here, and you will be part of that journey. You will be part of that journey. And please don't spam in the chat, because you will get blocked if you're spamming. Yeah, Bitcoin still seeing a minor retrace, but this is also pushing the Chainlink price right now to the downside. So we are still in need of another 1.6% decreasement of price here for Chainlink to open our trade. So I mean, looking forward, my take profit is at least 150k. And guys, what are your I'm not going to advise anything, but 150k is pretty high here in my opinion, guys. Because a lot of people are saying 300k is the target, but I don't think so. Definitely not think so. And definitely have this, I mean, I say a lot of definitely, but I mean, yeah, also have this chart set up here. Also, we'll flip this to the logarithmic chart here, because guys, people are saying 100k, but you want to look at the facts here. You want to look at the facts. And the facts are not saying that we're going to 150k. The facts are saying, okay, we're going to 110k. Or 100k. And not going to go much higher from there on. And also 300k. People are saying 300k. Bitcoin is going to 300k. And of course, I will be laughing to see Bitcoin 300k, because, yeah, of course, definitely anticipating it, but only in a longer time frame. I mean, look at the logarithmic growth curve here. Bitcoin definitely going to top out around to 100k here. 100 to 110k will be my target to take profits here. And guys, you have to know, once Bitcoin is pumping to the upside, and once Bitcoin is getting this final rejection here, you're seeing the retail FOMO coming in here, and then you see, once we are seeing this dump here coming in here, the major dump, the major bear market started, you will see these altcoins blast off here, and definitely take profits once you're seeing these altcoins. And guys, we're going to witness this together, because we're going to see altcoins increase with 200 or 300% a day here, and that I won't be surprised, because we will see that. But the question is, will you be strong enough to cash out here? Because I will. Because I know that you can get wrecked very significantly. Because if you hold it here, of course, a lot of altcoins decreased in value before you could have bought it at a cheaper price here. So, I mean, guys, make sure to take profits once we're going higher. And maybe this bull market is different. Yeah, maybe it is, but I'm not going to take all my Bitcoins out, because having multiple portfolios, but definitely will take some profit share. And guys, taking profits is never bad. And please do your own research, not giving any financial advice here, but hitting 110k will definitely be one of my most interesting points of taking profit. And I do think it's the top here, 110k. I do think it's the top. I do think it's very likely to call it the top once we're hitting towards 110k. And by the way, guys, only 39 likes away from the 800 likes, so we're getting very close here to reach 800 likes. So I'm looking forward to these 800 likes getting reached here, of course. Very exciting times, of course. And also a little bit tired, because last night I did not sleep that well here. Maybe you can see it also a little bit in my face here. Still candle flipping green here for Chainlink. And we'll flip this back here on normal chart, and also we'll disable this logarithmic growth curve here for a second. Because then we can look at the normal chart here, because yeah, right now we're just looking at the immediate short term here, and you can see candle pretty red here for Bitcoin. So Chainlink still holding up pretty well here, because yeah, it's just Chainlink, and Chainlink is looking to break out to the top side here. Can you use your Discord? Yes, you can. You can use our Discord from everywhere. So yeah, if you just join it, won't be a problem. And also, I see we have 11 boosts in our Discord server. So thank you for everyone who's boosting the Discord server, by the way. I just noticed, by the way. I just noticed. So 11 boosts, that's a lot here. So thank you so much for boosting the server. Just thank you so much here. Yeah, building this strong community. Over 8,000 members, guys. Very strong, very strong. That's very funny. Escaping range. Should I buy it into Link right now if you're holding? Of course, not giving any financial advice there. But if you're holding, definitely a good buying opportunity. And guys, we are looking to get our entry in here for our trade here for Chainlink. It can definitely be a very, very good trade and very exciting one as well here. And definitely will take some good profits once we're going higher here. So, I mean, we will be looking forward to this trade here. Buy Link, definitely. Buy Link if you're... Sorry for touching my microphone. Probably sounds very, very awkward. But I mean, if you want to buy into Chainlink right now, if you're willing to buy in right now just to hold Chainlink, definitely a good buy here. Definitely a good buy. So should not worry all too much of the price going a little bit lower for 1 to 2% here. But if you're going to buy right now, yeah, you will definitely have a very good buying opportunity. So yeah, please don't spam in the chat. I'm still holding. Same for me. Still holding. Staying strong. Staying strong here. Guys, don't get freaked out. Don't get freaked out because we're just going to stay strong here all together. Could you explain once again about taking profits in the altcoin season? Yeah, it's basically very simple here because altcoins will increase approximately with, yeah, of course, very, very significant amounts. And once you're seeing this significant increase in price here, we will take profits because it can also reverse very quickly to the downside once again. So basically saying you need to take profits once you're seeing a major, major increase in your portfolio and don't get too greedy. When should you cash out of the altcoin holds? Definitely we'll discuss this once we're seeing this, of course, live in the stream. But I do think for the coming at least the coming 4 months, you still would be safe for holding Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin and altcoins. So not looking to cash out right now here, but once we are coming closer and closer to these days here, guys, we will definitely keep you guys up to date what we are doing. I'll definitely keep you guys up to date here, of course. And looking also forward to the Monday here for Bitcoin once again. The new week started. So, yeah, getting very exciting once again here. Getting very exciting once again here. How much profit will you take? Probably you're talking about the altcoin season, and I will take portions. So once we're going higher, I will take step out of step. I will take out certain altcoins. And I mean big altcoins because, guys, you have to know, I'm believing in crypto for Bitcoin for the long term here. I believe that Bitcoin will be here in the coming 10 to 15 years here. So if Bitcoin is going to be here in 10 to 15 years, these other altcoins will be here as well. Make sure of that. Make sure of that. So that's also my reason why I'm building a very good portfolio as well for some altcoins. And once I'm talking about altcoins, I'm definitely talking also about Binance Coin, Crypto.com, because I think exchanges can be very big. And with Binance Coin also investing hugely in their coin, a very good thing to hold them for maybe 10 years. Maybe this coin can make you, yeah, it can make you very rich here. And also, of course, Polkadot still, I believe in the project, but do want to see to see that their blockchain is really working, because they're saying a lot of things, but I do want to see it in action as well. So of course holding that as well, but looking to see when it's a good cash out period, and maybe if it is really a good long-term hold, because I do think so, of course. Yeah, that's my reason. I will be looking forward to see where we are heading towards. And Bitcoin seeing this massive retracement coming in here, pushing the price of Chainlink also into the red of this 1 hourly candle, guys. And Bitcoin, everyone say, please don't say dumping, because this is not a dump. This is just a minor retracement here. And heading towards our support target here at the downside. So, I mean, would like to see Chainlink also reverse a little bit more to the downside here, because almost getting our opportunity here to open this position. Guys, don't freak out here. Don't rush into anything here. But looking like that we are getting our entry price anytime soon here for Chainlink. So looking forward to it. Looking forward to it at all. So yeah, let's see where we're heading towards. But Bitcoin, of course, getting a retracement. Pushing Chainlink also a little bit lower here. Ethereum will gas away. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a very good one. But yeah, I mean, looking to the chart of Bitcoin, I do want to see if we're having another touch of this supportive level, would be still very good here for Bitcoin. Wouldn't freak out. Maybe check out your DM. 3 top goes. I will. I will. You use the spider lines, and you are saying that it is looking like we're peaking once again here, and we're topping out once again here. Very interesting, of course, your scenario that you are right now saying here. Yeah, you can say that we're topping out here, but I'm still anticipating a move to the upside here. I can bring it in the screen here real quickly what you told me, because you're saying the scenario, what I will right now bring in the screen here real quickly. Give me a second. You're saying, okay, we're looking to this scenario over here of the spider web scenario, and then we're right now trading at the top side of this line here. But I mean, yes, we can, but I don't really like the scenario all too much. And you do want to look at multiple scenarios, of course, and I think I find it very good here. But you're shorting, and of course you are in profit right now probably. But I mean, or you're just opened your short. But I mean, I should be playing it careful here with shorts. But I mean, also playing an ascending triangle. It looks like multiple touches here. So let's see if we're going to find a supportive bounce, because I'm still anticipating a move to the upside, to be honest. And also Chainlink. I mean, this pattern. You do want to look at the facts here, and the facts is that we are creating a symmetrical triangle. Yes, we can still break to the downside here, because yeah, we are in a move to the downside here, and I mean, for now on, still breaking to the top side. So if we're going to see a fake out, of course, that will be very bad here for Chainlink. But I will measure the price target if we're going to move to the downside. And I mean, this target is very unlikely. They were going to $16 for Chainlink, and I don't think that this is a very likely target to reach here, to be honest. Not a very likely target to reach here. That will be very unlikely in my opinion. So yeah, if we're going to see a fake out here, will be very bad, of course. But I don't think that's very likely to be honest. I still feel very bullish and would like to get filled, of course, here on this trade. I'm looking forward to get filled on this trade here, guys. So you guys as well probably, because we are looking to crush this market altogether here. We are looking to crush this market altogether here. So yeah, right now still seeing this retracement. It's basically because of Bitcoin here. So let's see what Bitcoin will do here in the immediate short term. And I have to agree with your resistance line 3 top guys here, because you can see you have these multiple resistance lines with the downside here, what I also drew. And this will hold up as very important resistance that we do want to break here. What do you reckon? 20x leverage. 20x is way too high in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice here. The 20x is way too high in my opinion. Way too high of a leverage. Way too high of a leverage. Only using a 10x here. And people are saying, what is the entry price? But please, guys, please, make sure to check out the Discord server, because in the Discord server you can find the exact details here about our trade that we are taking here. So yeah, just make sure to check out the Discord, because there you can find all the exact details here about the trade. The entry price, the exit price, the exit price not, because we're looking for a take profit anytime soon here, of course. Looking to get filled also in Chainlink. Looking forward to get filled here, of course, live in stream. Live trades are always the best here. But I mean, what are the exact numbers of entry and stop loss? You can find them right now in the Discord server if you go to Trading Challenge. So yeah, go to the Discord server, go to Trading Challenge, and you can find the exact numbers there. Gotta have your view on VeChain, what it can reach. You're probably talking about the common bull market, and yeah, sitting around P31 here, collaborating with huge companies here, and you're saying what is the potential that it is having, and still have to go with conservative 5 to 10x here. 5 to 10x is a very likely target to reach here for VeChain.
And if we're going to see a 5 to 10x here, I mean, it will be sitting around to 20 to 40 cents here. Will be a very likely target for VeChain to reach here in the coming bull market. Very likely target to reach. Yeah, probably Bitcoin right now reversing a little bit to the upside here, and also getting a minor headache here. I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit sick here. So if you look at Bitcoin, yeah, you can see right now this we are getting bought back up here to the upside in this red candle here, of course. And Chainlink is also because of that ball back up here. But we'd like to see Bitcoin also going a little bit low here, because it can push Chainlink also lower, and it can maybe push us in our entry price. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. To get this entry in, of course, because yeah, we want to crush the market altogether here. And yeah, if we're going to see this retracement, yes, we are going to see our entry getting yeah, then we are finally going to see this possibility for an entry. And guys, if you want to trade this as well, you can use my referral links on the description. You can trade this on Bybit, you can trade this on Famex. You only have to sign up here through the description here if you want to, of course, because then you get even more bonuses. You can get up to $700 bonus in Bybit and 680 on Famex, so would be very cool if you're signing up here, of course. Of course, no financial advice. You always have to trade at your own risk here. But right now, seeing a very good opportunity, and I will definitely take it. And also, already in this swing trade on my private account on Bybit here. But I mean, yeah, looking forward to trade this. Also with the trading challenge, because I do think it's a very good setup here for Chainlink. Are you having an allergic reaction? Oh, this red. I think it's an issue with the screen here. Let me see. It's red. I think it's a lighting issue because it's not red on me. So probably a lighting issue. So I also have to fix my light here. But not having already a lot of allergic reactions or so. Only right now because yeah, no, it's not an allergic reaction. It's just lighting. Make the stream longer. Would like to, oh, please don't spam here. But I mean apple allergy. No, definitely not, because I'm always eating apples every single day here. Definitely not. Is that Chainlink? Yes, this is Chainlink, and our entry price is sitting around 25.6 US dollars here. And Chainlink is going a little bit lower compared to Bitcoin, so would like to see Chainlink, of course, reaching our entry target. Would love to reach our entry target, of course. Is this your job? Yes, it is. Robert, where did you cut your hair? I'm going to cut my hair anytime soon here, because it is right now closed, and I do want to get a haircut done here anytime soon. But still got closed here. The 2nd of March is going to open here once again in our country. So, the 1st of March, I mean. So yeah, we'll need to get a haircut here. If you had your apple already today, I already took some buys here, man. Green apple today, so looking for some green candles as well here. Looking for some green candles as well. Fart. Okay, that's a really weird donation from Jamie. £2 here. Thank you for the donation. Thank you for the super chat. Congratulations with your birthday. Congratulations. But unfortunately, I'm not going to do your request here. I'm not going to do my request here. Your request, I mean. But yeah, Bitcoin, of course, not a perfect touch here yet here, but of course you can draw this a little bit different, and then you can maybe say, okay, we already have got the touch here. But yeah, let's see what Bitcoin is heading towards, because yeah, maybe still in this ascending triangle, do want to break this resistance line first here. And if we are breaking this resistance line over here, do want to break this resistance line over here. So basically a lot of resistance that we have to break here. A lot of resistance that we do want to break here. The Dutch love Bitcoin and crypto. Yeah, that's true. The Dutch definitely love crypto and Bitcoin. Also, if you look at Google Trends, you see the Netherlands is very interested in it. And of course, I am as well. I'm loving crypto. Loving the gains, especially. Still waiting for entry. Still waiting. Just being patient. And of course, guys, I want to do a long live stream here, but today won't be a very long live stream. Because also, I'm feeling a little bit sick, to be honest. Not having a lot of strength here, and feeling just a little bit, a minor headache, and also some throat issues there. Of course, always doing a long live stream here, but once I'm not feeling very well here, of course, it will be a little bit shorter. Yeah, I get your point. I get your point. Yeah, we're still below this line and still have a created wick on the top side. So yeah, if you look to this chart, if you look to the Fibonacci level on the daily here on the Bitcoin price chart in the big picture, we are still below the Fibonacci level. But yeah, we have to wait and see how this next one daily candle will close here. We have to wait and see. But yeah, I'm definitely not going to open a short position. Yeah, you can always trade here, but opening short, then I would want to stay on the sidelines here. Not going to open any shorts anymore. Because I don't really... Only if I'm seeing a very, very clear opportunity from now on. But yeah, not rushing into shorts here. But yeah, if you look to the 4 hourly, of course 4 hourly is less significant here. But yeah, basically trading on this level here, around the 2.618. And this is sitting out this 47k here. 47k will be the level. Don't spam in the chat, please. Don't spam in the chat. So yeah, still trading on this level here, and still minor retracements right now coming in here. Lower time frame is looking pretty okay here, pretty good. I don't want to say Chainlink. Well, already. Oh, we are about to get. Oh, sorry. Oh, my camera is once again flipping out here. So sorry for noticing it so late here. Yeah, very weird, very weird. I don't know what it is doing. I don't know what it is doing, my camera. I truly don't know what it's doing. So, of course, we'll fix this after the stream. And, of course, I'm feeling a little bit sick here, so that's pretty annoying. Yeah, the camera, I don't know what it's doing. It already for the second time here, the camera, Cyberpunk camera, I don't know. It's probably something software because, yeah, you can see it. The frames are not, yeah, of course, yeah, it's glitchy, but it's probably something software. Yeah, we'll fix it after the stream, of course. But yeah, I don't know for how long the stream will continue today because yeah, I'm not feeling very strong today. Nice filter, lol. Yeah, I know. Definitely very, very nice there. Yeah, Ethereum not showing a lot of strength here. Ethereum compared to Bitcoin also. I don't like to see this, to be honest. Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is only losing value. Flip this to the daily. And I will make some support boxes here if I look to the chart. And some possible resistance and support boxes here to just clarify once we're probably going to find a bounce here for Chainlink. Sorry, for Ethereum, because Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, yeah, lagging behind a lot. And yeah, once we are hitting these boxes here, in my opinion, definitely a good long position for, I mean, definitely a good position to, yeah, probably Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin once we are hitting these levels. We're probably getting supported. I mean, would be very likely once we are seeing this because in the past we also get a lot of touches on this level, and every time once we're touching this level, we saw blast off here for these coins. So yeah, every time we saw blast off once we are in this. Not blast off exactly, but I mean, touching this level would definitely be a good buying opportunity for Chainlink compared to Bitcoin at least. Because yeah, if you're buying into altcoins, you definitely want to compare it to Bitcoin because you want to know, is this altcoin outperforming Bitcoin or is it not? You're having shortness in breath. It's a start. Yeah, I know. I'm getting a little bit sick here. Pretty annoying to be honest. Because yeah, it's not really helping me to push out daily live streams, long live streams, of course. But I still want to continue here, of course, for you guys. Bitcoin still getting supported, and 8 minutes away, guys. 8 minutes away till we're going to close the new this 1 hourly candle. Then we're going to close. Then we're going to open a new 1 hourly candle. So of course, a very exciting 1 hour. Very exciting next 8 minutes here. And let's see, 4 hourly candle going to close in 1 hour and 8 minutes. Then. So of course, looking forward to how this will close here for the 4 hourly candle and also the 1 hourly candle. Take care, yeah, definitely. Always fault. Someone told me eating an apple a day takes are taking the doctors away or so. Eating an apple every day is taking the doctor away. So that's also the reason why I'm eating an apple every single day here. So go to the hospital. No, it's not that bad, to be honest. I mean, not going to go to the hospital for this. Yeah, looking for a retest here anytime soon. It depends on how you draw it. You can maybe say that we're already having the retest here. The retest is already done here, of course, but this is the safest approach in my opinion. Safest approach in my opinion. And oh my gosh, once again the camera, I hate it that it is always doing this. Michael, once again, thank you for the donation. And you are saying, Dan, why are odds start skyrocketing once Bitcoin will drop off towards the 100 to 110k? I don't quite get the mechanic. Thank you so much for taking Ken here, and good rest. And take care. Of course. And the reason why I'm saying this is basically very simple, and that is history. History. And history will repeat itself once again here at Bitcoin. Because you have to know, just quickly going to give you a lesson here, 2017. Quickly going to give you a lesson here. You can see Bitcoin topping out here around 9220k here. So we started to stop out here, and once you're seeing this decrease in price, was all money shifting into altcoins. So once you were seeing the price decrease in Bitcoin here, you saw altcoins literally going sky high, going 400 plus, 500, 600 plus in one single day here. And of course, in just a matter of 3 weeks, you saw approximately 3,000% here. Once you were looking at CoinMarketCap, and you were scrolling here, and you was looking only in the top 10 here, and you was looking at the top 7 days, you can maybe see 3,000% or so. And you was not only seeing it by one coin, but with a lot of coins. So that will probably happen once again, in my opinion. And that's the reason why I do think once Bitcoin is stopping out here, money will shift into altcoins, and then we will see the major altcoin boom, what we all have been waiting for such a long period of time already. And that's the reason. That's my reason. That is my reason, my man. Link is doing nothing. Yeah, Link is just cooling off here. But you have to know, do want to get this entry in, of course. Do want to see Link a little bit more retraced to these levels here. Also depends on what Bitcoin will do here. So looking forward, of course, to get this entry in here. Looking forward, of course. I accidentally bought Link at 25.8. I mean, you're still in the profit, but you should really play it careful here. I mean, if you bought it to hold it, I mean, definitely good. Link to 100k, $100. Yes, definitely. It's just a matter of time, not if. Will also drop before it will go up here. Don't really think it necessarily will drop before it is going up here, to be honest. Not necessarily think it will drop before continuing higher, but if you want to get in, also if you want to get in crypto, please, of course, no financial advice, but you can already get exposed right now. Is it true that crypto always dips on Sundays? No, it is not true. But the thing is, for the last 3 or 4 Sundays, it was dipping on these days. But it's not true. It's not always on Sunday here. So also, Nicholas donated here. Thank you for the donation here. You are saying at Crypto Rover. So you don't think we're having an altcoin boom yet? On CoinMarketCap, all the graphs for altcoins look insane, and I get it. You're already feeling like you missed out here. And you are not. You're not missing out at one single moment. Also, altcoin index. Of course, we're pretty high in the altcoin index for this month here. But I mean, in general, we are still pretty low. We're sitting pretty low. And once we're hitting these high stages in the altcoin index, then you will see these insane increases of price here. And guys, I still think that we have some huge potential for these altcoins, and that's also why I'm hugely exposed, because I want to make the most amount of gains, and you guys as well. And of course, no financial advice here, but I don't think that we have seen the altcoin boom yet. This is just the start here. We're just igniting the fire right now. It's just starting off. So if you want to get exposed, I mean, definitely you should. Of course you should. And I'm saying this to all my friends as well, to all my family members. Please, don't freak about these few digits. Yeah, you can maybe decrease the price with 10% here. But you know, if you're going to hold crypto, you're going to be profitable at least for the coming 6 months here. So that is also my strategy here. If you want to buy right now, definitely a good buying opportunity. And even though we're going to break down here, even though you guys know it, if you're new to crypto, I'm telling you right now, of course, no financial advice, but if we're going even lower to 39k or even to 35k, man, I will be buying so much Bitcoin. I will buy more and more and more Bitcoin here. Because you don't want to get fooled by these dumps. You want to buy the dumps. And of course, there will come a period that we will not buy the dumps anymore, once we are seeing around 100k, for instance. But for now on, we're still cheap. We're sitting at 47k. And just imagine in 4 or 6 months here that Bitcoin price will sit around 100k. Yeah, you will be horrified that you did not buy more Bitcoin around these levels. You will be horrified that you did not buy more Bitcoin here. So yeah, of course, no financial advice, guys. You always have to trade it and always have to buy it at your own risk here. But I mean, definitely, I do think that you're right now getting this very good buying opportunity here, and you don't want to miss out here. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity that you're right now getting. Yeah, you're right now alive, and you want to be very, very glad that you're right now alive in this time, because, guys, you must be very happy that you know about crypto, because imagine that you don't know about crypto. And Michael also donated €5, and you're saying, how soon will the altcoin craze start? Within 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, or 36 hours? I mean, right now in the immediate short term, very hard to say, man. I don't think... I mean, of course, I'm very bullish on Chainlink here, and I do think that we can see this insane increase in price once again here. And it will depend on all these other altcoins, because... It also depends on Bitcoin, of course, but I mean, will Chainlink blast off here? It will drag also more altcoins to the upside here. So it really depends. I cannot really give you a good time frame here, to be honest. Very hard to say a time frame here. Very hard to give time frames with these things here. And yeah, we're just also live for 2 hours, so I'm very glad here, because I'm so sorry, but this live stream today won't be the longest live stream. And once we're getting filled, or once we're seeing anything here for the Chainlink price, definitely we'll keep you guys up to date. You have to know it. You have to know that we will keep you guys up to date here. But today won't be the longest live stream here, because I'm feeling not all too nice here, to be honest. And of course, yeah, also a little bit tired here. Maybe it's also because I slept not all too long here, and also did some, yeah, you know. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm not feeling very well here today. So yeah, would like to recover also a little bit, and that's also the reason why this live stream today won't be that long here. So sorry for touching my microphone. Sometimes I touch my microphone, and that will make a really weird sound here. So let's see. I will. We'll look quickly at the once again at Cardano, because a lot of people are willing to look at Cardano for me. They're saying, please look at Cardano here. And what you're saying, so yes, definitely I will look at Cardano. And yeah, I mean, of course, creating this bearish divergence on the 4 hourly on Cardano. If you look to the 4 hourly, you can see these white lines creating a higher high, creating a lower high in the RSI. Basically saying, okay, we are seeing this bearish divergence. So yeah, we'll definitely go. It is definitely pushing the price lower here for the price of Cardano. But yeah, right now finding up towards the $1.40 here, because this is the previous all-time high, and this will act as very significant resistance. So yeah, I mean, looking forward, of course, to see this resistance line get met once again here, and would like to see a break also. Would like to see a break of this line here. So of course, I will be looking forward to it. And guys, how unfortunate I find this, but I will wrap up the stream here, guys. Please let me know some final questions here in the chat. Let me know some final questions, and then I will wrap up the stream, because I'm not feeling all too well today. And you know, from Monday to Friday we're doing longer streams here, but in the weekends it's always a little bit less long here, because Usually weekends are very, very busy here, and also the price action is not all too interesting in the weekend. But I'm expecting today a huge move here for some altcoins. So I mean, let's see if we can see that huge move here. So let me see. Have you some questions for me still? Hope you feel better and stay hydrated. Yeah, I will definitely go just chill down here, just go to bed or so. Just take a rest here. Do you think this triangle will break to the upside? This is an ascending triangle, yeah. It's more likely to see an ascending triangle to break to the upside, but yeah, of course you have to know we are in a bear trend, we are in a downtrend. So in downtrends, ascending triangles can also break to the downside. So yeah, we will monitor it, which direction it will go to. So yeah, a lot of true supporters here. I love you guys so much here. You have to know it. Very nice. Price prediction for Crow. Crow.com definitely going to reach $1, $1 to $2. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will wrap up the stream right now. I feel so unfortunate that it was once again not a long stream here, but guys, you have to know once we're getting better here, we will make a longer live stream here. Tomorrow probably also will be live. We will keep you guys up to date of our trades here in the Discord server. So make sure to join our Discord as well if you want to keep up to date here, and also consider subscription to this channel here. By the way, 21.3k here. Absolutely amazing to see here, of course. So, guys, I will see you in the next stream here, and thank you so much for watching once again here. And yeah, peace out. Take care, guys, and I will see you guys in the Discord. Bye.